Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And of course, as we talked about the first year of the announcement of Windows 11, there's a lot of discussions. I have you guys' opinion that you've been sharing, which is very interesting. See what a lot of people do like Windows 11. Not everybody, obviously, but not everybody loves Windows 10 and so on. So I had a couple of questions about my own opinion that were kind of more direct. So first of all, one of the questions was, do I like Windows 10? Before we can say I like Windows 11. So yes, Windows 10 for me is a nice system. It's mature. It is right. It is, it looks and feels finished, even though it's, Windows as a service, but it won't get any new updates or anything. So it works well. I mean, Windows 10 is great. And that's why I'm not pushing anyone to Windows 11. Some of you have been like, I might want to go. I have a compatible machine, but, your opinion is not 100%, so it kind of prevents me from doing it. And I guess it's fine. I mean, you don't have to go to Windows 11, that's for sure. And I do like Windows 10. I think it's a nice system. It's a nice modern system. I was confronted with a old machine that I found in my in the locker room here that has Windows 7 on it. And for the fun of it, I just booted up to see what it looks like. And all I can say is Windows 7 looks so old and it's. I just looked at it and it's like, nope. Would not want to use Windows 7 again. That's for sure. Windows 10 is great. It's as fast, if not more efficient. It is technically more efficient than Windows 7. A lot of people think Windows 7 is that, slim, efficient system. Windows 7 is bloated, and Windows 7 does not have all the technologies Windows 10 and Windows 11 has incorporated and actually optimizing RAM, optimizing performance. Windows 7 is not what people think it is, and it was great for its time, but its time is over. So yeah, I like Windows 10, and if you stay on Windows 10, there's no problem there. It's fine. Now, do I like Windows 11? I do. I'm using it on my main machine. I'm even at 22H2 now with my machine here for Windows 11, and I love it. It works great. I don't have much complaint about it. Honestly, I don't care that much about the real estate and the way that it's, it doesn't let you necessarily kind of reorganize the start menu and stuff like that. But I get it that, of course, people would like to have, for example, if you don't want to have apps in recommended area, that the start menu be a very small start menu, straight to the point of things they're using. And I get it. That definitely should be. I mean, it's not that hard. And there are things that people want that I understand, some people use. For my personal usage, for what I do, it's all right. And I have no complaints really to give to Windows 11 in general. It for me, it does the job, and it does it well. It does it fast. And this is a gaming machine. The gaming is perfect, works great. So I like it, and I got no problem with it. But it all depends on probably what you want, what you're looking for. The start menu in the middle, it's kind of refreshing. I like the refreshed look. I like the changes. I like the new settings app. I'm the kind of guy that likes when, an interface changes, because it's like a fresh coat of paint. It kind of changes your home, but you're still in the same place. So personally, I like it, and personally, I have no, I would not. If somebody tells me my machine's compatible, should I go? The question will be, if you want to go. You won't. I don't think you'll regret it. If you are hesitating, you're not sure, stay on 10. It's fine also. Like I said, I'm not pushing anybody to Windows 11. So, but after 1 year, I like it. 22H2 does have some improvements, and actually we'll have a series of videos as we get closer to the release date of all the new features technically embedded within 22H2. it's nice, and I have, I would not go back and I would not roll back. Honestly, I don't even understand somebody rolling back from Windows 11 to Windows 10. There's not that much of a difference, and there's not, it's cosmetic change more than anything else. And so the rollback is something that I always found kind of interesting, and this has always has been the case. I mean, when I was a tech guy, people when Windows 7 came out said, "Oh, I want to roll back to Windows XP." Learn the new system. Don't roll back. And actually, it's a very bad idea. Personally, anybody buying a new PC with Windows 11, telling someone, "Hey, I want to roll to Windows 10," it's not something you should do. You'll have to use Windows 11 someday, so better get used to it right now. But overall, I give it a good score. Even though it's not a game changer, it's not something that is, humongously different and with so many new things to look at. And no, it's, cosmetic change, new settings, new things here and there, but under the hood, it's still pretty much a Windows 10 machine. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up, and thank you for watching our videos.